In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer TikTok PayLater to Gcash. Before we start, it's important to set the right expectation. As of 2026, there isn't a legitimate way to move TikTok PayLater into Gcash as cash. I'll quickly show you what PayLater actually is, why transfers aren't supported, and what you can safely do instead. Go ahead and open TikTok. Head to your PayLater section inside the app so you can see your available credit and upcoming bills. TikTok PayLater is a built-in credit line tied to TikTok Shop. You use it to buy products now and repay later in installments. It is not a wallet or a stored balance. Because it's a credit feature, there's nothing to withdraw, and TikTok doesn't provide a cash out or transfer button to Gcash or to any bank. That's the key update for 26. Converting TikTok PayLater to Gcash is not possible. Any workaround that claims to convert PayLater into cash is either outdated or risky. Be cautious of offers that involve third-party agents, paying a fee to unlock funds, sending money first, or buying items only to resell them back instantly. These schemes can get your account flagged, lead to chargebacks, or cause you to lose money. They also violate platform terms, which can result in suspended shopping privileges. Here's what you can do the right way. You can still use Gcash to settle your TikTok PayLater bill when it's due. When your statement is generated, choose Gcash as your repayment method in the TikTok PayLater payment screen and complete the payment from your Gcash wallet. Make sure you have enough balance before the due date and pay in full or at least the required installment to avoid late fees and interest. Keep a proof of payment and confirm that the transaction reflects on your PayLater account. To stay on top of things, check your billing schedule inside the PayLater dashboard, enable notifications for due dates, and review your credit limit so you only spend what you can repay. Never share one-time passwords, verification codes, or account credentials with anyone offering shortcuts. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So to wrap up, there's no official or safe method to turn TikTok PayLater into Gcash cash. Use PayLater only for purchases on TikTok Shop, and use Gcash responsibly to pay your bills on time. Staying within these boundaries keeps your account secure and your finances clear.